Everyone, please stand. Will someone please be the superior? Miss Abunos. So before you sit down, pick some piece of papers under your chairs and step up. So good morning, grade 7 PD. Good morning. So how's your day so far? Good. That's good to hear. So let's proceed. So first, let's check your attendance. So is there anyone absent today? No. Very good. Seems like we have imperfect attendance today. So everyone, please read our classroom rules.
Kindly raise your hand when you want to contribute to the discussion and wait for your turn patiently. Respect the teacher by paying full attention. Stay focused during group activities. Remain silent. Strive for excellence by giving your effort in every class.
So is the classroom rules clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any question?
No.
If none, let's proceed. So can someone please give some recap of our last topic? Yes, Miss Louise.
Last meeting we discussed about arts and sentences.
Very good experience. So is there any question about our last topic?
None, ma'am.
So if not, let's proceed to our activity called Search Me. The instruction is, all you need to do is to find words in the word search puzzle. So is the instruction clear to you, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, mister. Another. Yes, Miss Arbon. Mr. Larry. Another one. Okay, so, if hindi ko makita, let's proceed to the correct answer. So here's the correct answer. So is there any question about our activity? So let's proceed to our learning objectives. Can you please read?
The students should be able to identify key information accurately in a test in order to make predictions about what will happen next in the according to the exam activity.
So is the classroom objectives clear to you, class?
Yes.
Very good. So if it is clear, let's have two questions for you to be guided of our topic today. So can anyone answer the first question? Yes, Ms. Bermejo.
What do you think will happen if the driver will not carefully drive the car? So what our prediction would be it will cause an accident and maybe the driver will be killed down.
Thank you for that, Ms. Bermejo. Another one. Yes, Mr. Ronald.
But I will know from an answer reported that in December, our clinic class. So, that I will know from an answer might change his life. Because of this innocent girl. Because, this innocent girl, my dad, they were in love. So, the guy affected on that, they were in love and totally changes the way he made.
Thank you for that, Mr. Ronald. So let's proceed to our topic. So our topic is making predictions. So can anyone tell me what it means to predict or to make predictions? Anyone? Yes, Ms. Bermejo.
For me, my own opinion, making prediction is like you are thinking in advance what will happen next. Like for example, you saw something, or if in our next training, if we saw the clouds is very dark, so we will predict that it will rain.
Yes, that's correct, Ms. Bermejo. So making predictions is the act of using available information or evidences. So it means what Ms. Bermejo said is what the future events will come. story. So everyone please read.
Analyze the characters. Pay close attention to the actions, dialogue, and motivations of characters in the story. Consider their past behaviors and how they may influence future events. For example, if a character has a history of being deceitful, they may continue to lie in future situations.
So analyze the characters can help you understand the personalities of the characters, what might the characters happen in the future. So next. Everyone please read them.
Identify key plot points. Look for clues and hints in the story that may foreshadow future events. For example, if a character discovers a valuable secret or faces a major conflict that remains unresolved, these plot points are likely to resurface and impact the narrative in the future.
So in these steps, looking for clues and hints are very important in making predictions because it can. So this can help you to anticipate the future events that will happen in the future. So lastly, everyone is reading.
Consider cover style and themes. Think about the overarching themes of the story and how the author has developed them so far. Consider how the author tends to resolve conflicts or pay attention in the writing, and use that as a guide for predicting future events. For instance, if the story has been focused on the idea of redemption, it is likely that characters will have opportunities to seek forgiveness or make amends in the future.
So in these steps, consider the author styles and themes. This can help you give clues about what will expect will happen in the future. So is there any question about our topic? So if not, let's have our activity, first activity, called placement discussion. So before that, this is the instruction. Can everyone please read?
The students will form a group consisting of 4 members each group. The students will read a short story, and after that, the group will make a prediction about the contents in the story. After completing the placement activity, the students will present their work to the class.
So I will let you choose your group members. So but please form a group of 4. And I will give you some piece of paper. So this placement consists of 4 slides. So each members would write their predictions in the boxes. So naka-4 na ba ng 4 members?
Yes, ma'am.
So class, are you ready? So here's the story. So I will give you 1 minute to finish that activity. Are you done? So 30 seconds left, everyone. Are you all done? So can someone please present their work? Yes, Miss C. Everyone, Miss C said.
For my condition, a different of state life. For life, she married a mortal and common. And for Trixie, he had an eternal state. And for Lay's prediction, she got sick.
Thank you for that, Ms. So, last, you can set the word. Yes, Ms. Guerrero.
So for gusto ko answer, she became
She became a river that flows forever.
For Lola, she died. For me, she will leave the forest to live for love. And for Ellen, she got reincarnated as a study.
Thank you for that, Ms. Guerrero. So, yes, Ms. Guerrero.
So for my answer, she died because of COVID. His answer is, prediction is people in the area violated something and decided to exile herself. And Shara's answer is, Maria Making get impregnated, and our friend's answer, she became an animal.
So, thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your cooperation, everyone. So, please pass your work. In front. So, is there any questions? So, how's the activity so far? Thank you for that. That's good to hear. So, if there's none question, let's proceed to our next activity. So, can you please get 1/4 sheet of paper? So, here's the instruction. Can you please read?
Students will be divided into 4 groups, and each group will create a situation or scenarios, and students will make their predictions out of the scenario they see. For each scenario, you take a moment to think about what you believe will happen next in the scenario you created. Share your predictions in the class and discuss your reasoning behind your predictions.
So, this will be the group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So, I will give you 1 minute to finish. So, please go to your group now. Everyone, go to your So, pass your papers, everyone, outside. Pass your papers Okay, go back to your seat now. So for our last activity, is there any questions of our last activity? So let's proceed to our last activity, which is called picture prediction. So students will get 1 sheet of paper and the teacher will show a picture, and all you need to do is to choose one picture and make predictions based on the images you chose. So here's the picture. So do it individually. Are you done? Everyone, are you done? So can someone please give his or her predictions out of the Yes, Mr. Vera.
So since we're runner, they will be the
Thank you for that, Mr. Vera. Another, yes, Ms. Makita. Yes, thank you for that, Ms. Makita. So, now we are done for our activity. So, is there any question? So, I will hear a question. So, what are the important things we should consider before we conclude or predict something? So, anyone? Yes, Mr. Tuan.
We should know first story and so that we can predict what happens.
Thank you for that, Ms. 34. Since we don't have time, so for your assessment, I will send it over to you tonight and we'll pass it 8 p.m. So for your assignment, then please take the picture. So thank you everyone.
I request Ms. Rivera and Makoki to join the event. Siguro ang DLP. December. Sarap yung tatlo. Yung
Power up.
the comments